Now this right here, guys, this what you see is an absolute disaster. Take a look. Coinbase is down 15, almost 16% in the past 5 days, and most of that is just from today. The Securities and Exchange Commission, also known as the SEC, guys, and listen, there's two entities that you don't want to mess with, right? The SEC is one of them, and the IRS is another, which we're not going to talk about the IRS in this video, but the SEC sued crypto exchange Coinbase in New York federal court on Tuesday morning, alleging that the company was acting as an unregistered broker and exchange and demanding that the company be, quote, permanently restrained and enjoined from continuing to do so. Oof. SEC Chair Gary Gensler said on CNBC, these trading platforms, they call themselves exchanges, but they're commingling a number of functions. Coinbase's flagship prime brokerage, exchange, and staking programs violate securities laws. The regulator, I can't even read today, guys, alleged in his complaint, and the company has, or quote, has for years defied the regulatory structures and evaded the disclosure requirements of the U.S. securities laws. So in my opinion, guys, and this is why I don't touch crypto stocks, this is going to hurt the company, at least in the short term. And of course, these are all alleged, things here. We don't know exactly, but we'll see how it plays out.